Okay, let's go to the end of our lesson about the English medieval ballad. Let's talk about the language used in ballads. So, the language is plain and formulaic. What does it mean? Plain means very simple, because as popular folk uh, poetry compositions, they cannot be like Beowulf, which is a typical example of a poem, epic poem addressed to an aristocratic and military society. As we have said before, ballads, medieval ballads, were meant to be sung and danced during festivals or during parties, such as marriage or, Sundays, Christmas, Easter, May Day, and so on. What does formulaic means? It means that formula are used to describe the characters or to talk about the story. What is a formula? A formula is a set of simple words which are always the same. For example, a formula could be, in this case, lay the bend to the bonny broom. What does it mean? In Italian we can say piega la ginestra e fai una bella scopa. What could it be? It could be a magic formula. Okay? This line is taken from the ballad Cruel Sister. Cruel Sister is the ballad where we have already seen, which narrates the story of jealousy between two sisters. Now we can see why the second sister was jealous of the first one. There lived a lady in the North Sea shore, laid a bend to the bonny broom, two daughters were the babes she bore. Fa la 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 la. Okay, as you can see, this could be the refrain, il ritornello, and from this line you can see how the ballad was actually a song. Viveva una lady, una signora, sulla riva del mare del nord. Piega il giunco e fai una bella scopa di ginestra. Two daughters were the babes she bore, e due figlie furono i bambini che lei generò. As one grew bright as in the sun, mentre la prima crebbe bella come il sole, so coal black grew the elder one, nera come il carbone crebbe la maggiore. So, what is the meaning of this formula inside the ballad? Probably we can say that the second sister, the second one, could be a witch. Okay, that's the reference to the bonny broom, la scopa, which is typical of witches, and we can also say that second one was a witch because she was black as coal, nera come il carbone, which might suggest a cruelty or her bad character. Okay, so the themes of the ballad. Ballads deal with supernatural events, characters, love, war, or dramatic events. Okay, as we can see, supernatural events might be characterized by the presence of supernatural creatures such as the elf knights, so elves, witches, magicians, speaking animals, and so on. Characters, when the characters are the most important ones, and they could be, for example, outlaws, love, when the ballads deal with the love stories between two characters, war or dramatic events, especially family tragedies, as in the ballad Geordie. Ah, my Geordie will be hanged in a golden chain. 'Tis not a chain of many. Stole 16 of the king's royal deer, and he sold them in Boney. And in the following video, you could listen and sing along the ballad Geordie, which has been also translated by the Italian singer Fabrizio De André.